But you refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time. You keep wasting my time.
Hi my loves, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time tuning in, I would want to warmly welcome you. Hope you do stay. So just starting up stretching out the hair, I had to stretch it out by blowing it out and just making sure that it's nice and straight. Then I went in with my clippers, of course, just to measure up and cut the length that I actually wanted. I really wanted like a very short bob because I'm short, so that was the look I was going for. So yeah, I measured it out and just continued cutting with the scissors because my clippers were not really doing it. So yeah, we went ahead and just used our scissors instead, making sure that everything is untangled, you know, just slipping my hands through it and making sure that everything is stretched out. And we're trying to keep a steady hand in cutting this a blunt bob. No easy task, but yeah. So the dome cut didn't make it any easier for me because the knob in the dome cut is kind of loose. But yeah, we did manage. It was a bit of a struggle, but honestly, we did manage. We did just fine. And making sure that you comb through it, that there's no entangled hair, so that you can actually cut up and trim any loose ends that are there. And this is exactly what I was doing here, just going in again, you know, for the final touch, sorry, just to cut off any loose ends. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Really love the color. And of course, just toned the ends down with a flat iron just to give it that seamless flow to the ends. And we were pretty much done here. So I flat iron section by section, making sure I actually get those ends. That was the objective, and that was the goal for this flat ironing pad, to make sure those ends are flawlessly just, you know, gliding down the neck when we wear this wig. Yeah, objective achieved. This was the end result. Please do let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Otherwise, we totally loved it. See you in the next one.
What is waiting half a step beyond our door? Yeah. And if it's